Hi, it's Frank, the tasty producer behind this video, and I have some tips for making the fruitcake. So the first step is do not skip on rehydrating the fruit. It is going to give your dried fruits this beautiful, soft, and plump texture that you do not want to miss. Traditionally, fruitcakes are made with booze, but I decided to substitute it with orange juice to make it friendly for kids and everyone else. Fruitcakes call for muscovado sugar, which is more of a molassy brown sugar, but if you do not have that, you can substitute it with a combination of dark brown sugar and light brown sugar for that flavor.
Oh yes!